Meteorologist Amy Freeze here with your Southwest forecast update. Tomorrow morning in Los Angeles, you can expect partly sunny skies with a gentle breeze. Here's the weather outside your front door. On the regional radar for the Southwest, a significant band of rain is making its way inland from the Pacific, bringing much-needed moisture to California. San Diego is currently experiencing heavier rain showers, which are gradually moving northeast towards Los Angeles, where only light drizzle is noted. As this system moves across the region, the central valleys, including Bakersfield and Fresno, can expect periods of sustained rain. Meanwhile, southern Nevada, including Las Vegas, is staying dry with clear skies expected. In Los Angeles tomorrow morning, anticipate mostly cloudy skies with a calm start at 49 degrees. By 9 a.m., temperatures will rise slightly to 50 degrees with a light southeast wind around 3 miles per hour, bringing in a few showers. As we move towards 11 a.m., expect showers to continue with temperatures reaching 53 degrees and southeast winds of 5 miles per hour. Stay prepared for a damp morning commute. Here's the regional high temperature forecast for the Southwest on Wednesday. Redding will experience a cool day with a high of 52 degrees. San Francisco remains mild, reaching 65 degrees. Bakersfield warms up to a pleasant 73 degrees. Los Angeles sees highs around 61 degrees, while San Diego is at 61 as well. For those in Las Vegas, anticipate temperatures around 68 degrees. Phoenix will be notably warm compared to other areas, with highs soaring to 71 degrees. On the Southwest Futurecast, prepare for a mix of weather across the region. Expect a band of rain moving into Southern California on Tuesday evening, leading to wet conditions through Wednesday morning, especially from Los Angeles to San Diego. Areas in higher elevations, such as the San Bernardino Mountains, may see snowfall, causing potentially slippery road conditions. Meanwhile, Nevada and Arizona will remain dry and clear, with temperatures comfortable and slightly cooler. Be ready for any travel disruptions due to slick roads in the mountainous areas. The UV index in Los Angeles is low on Wednesday, mainly due to cloud cover and possible rain, which significantly reduces UV exposure. No significant burn time is expected under these conditions. For the 7-day forecast in Los Angeles, Wednesday, expect rain, with temperatures reaching up to 59 degrees. Thursday, the rain clears for partly cloudy weather, with a cooler high of 55 degrees and a low of 42 degrees. Friday, showers may start early with a high of 52 degrees, cooling to 48 degrees overnight. Saturday, mostly clear skies, warming up to 61 degrees and a low of 46 degrees. Sunday, mostly clear again with temperatures peaking at 66 degrees and a low of 52 degrees. Monday, partly cloudy conditions with a high of 63 degrees and a low of 48 degrees.